Hi all, welcome to Tangent Test Technology. Today I am going to present Amatec Crystal HPC50 handheld pressure calibrator. This particular calibrator is upgraded version of HPC40 series, which was the earlier version without intrinsically safe. This particular instrument is got intrinsically safe ATEX approved and IP6766. Now we'll tell about the feature what is there. This has got various types of range depending upon the selection of the customers. It's a customized product again in terms of range, and it has got very good accuracy of 0.035% of the reading and 0.01% of the full scale, and the vacuum accuracy is 0.05. And it has got very good resolution, so 0.00001 bar, and it has got barometric pressure, absolute pressure, differential pressure, dual pressure inputs. So this is a complete secondary standard pressure calibrator. So here there are two pressure inputs. One is designed for the lower side, lower pressure range, and one is for the higher pressure range. So this is for differential pressure. If there are one more model, there is one more model in this, that is HPC51, that has only one input because there is no differential and dual pressure calibration option. And apart from the pressure, it has got external pressure and temperature inputs through APM model, which is this. So this is APM model, advanced pressure, it's ATM model, advanced temperature model, and there is one called APM model, it's advanced pressure model, which will go any of this world, like a similar way of pressure inputs. And it has got current and voltage measurement. The current input is so up to 50 ampere, 50 milliamps we can measure, and output current is 25 milliamps, and voltage up to 25 volts input we can measure. And this is also useful for analog as well as pressure transducers. So it gives even current output, so that we can calibrate even pressure transducers. And now this inputs also, we are using this T975 pressure pump. This is pneumatic pressure. This is from vacuum to 40 bars, which will be connected with one of the inputs, and other, this is CPF fittings, which will go to other DUT side. So parallelly, simultaneously we will raise the temperature, we will see what is the pressure generated. This will measure the pressure, and other port will see what is the difference in DUT. Apart from that, there has got a dual display and dual colorful display, and it has got leakage pressure options, which will be indicating the leakage of the pressure. So you can see this is leakage pressure option, and you can select either of one. P1 is this, P2 is this, and external mode is this two. External mode 2 is written there too, and barometric options, differential pressure, dual pressure, differential temperature, and a switch test function, milliamps input, milliamp output, and voltage input. That's it. We'll show some performance. Still to add something.